Some code collects dust in static state, while other code is in active use today. A software developer named Jacob Thornton made a similar observation about open source a few years ago. Jacob is one of the creators of the popular design framework Bootstrap, whose contribution graph I showed you at the beginning of this talk. And before I share his comment, I'll add a bit of context, which is that Richard Stallman, a longtime programmer who started the free software movement, which was open source's predecessor, famously said that free software is free as in speech, but not free as in beer. Stallman was trying to make the distinction between the idea of being free as in liberated versus free as in zero cost, sometimes expressed with the Spanish words libre versus gratis, a distinction that's meant to highlight how free software is an ideology, rather than about getting software for free. So Jacob riffed on this concept, and he tried to explain the problem of open source requiring ongoing maintenance. Jacob said that open source is free, not as in beer or speech, but free as in puppy. I think this metaphor is really good because it forces us to think of software not as a static object like beer, but instead consider the costs associated with its being a living organism, like a puppy. You don't just buy a puppy and put it in your house and be done with it like you could with a beer in the fridge. You have to feed it and take care of it and make sure it's happy. Getting a puppy, much like writing software, signifies the beginning, not the end of a new chapter. And with it comes all these hidden costs associated with its upkeep.